Hi guys, happy new year, happy 2024. Can you believe it's 2024? I don't know about you guys, but I'm not usually a fan of new year. I don't know why. I think it's overrated. I think, not to be negative Nancy, but the build up to midnight, it's just such an anti-climax. Like, it turns midnight and you're like, oh, okay, bedtime. However, I was driving earlier and I was thinking, do you know what? New year, it just changed my mindset. New Year's actually a great time to get your life together, to get back on track, to set new goals. I'm sure all your YouTube subscriptions and TikToks and everything at the moment are filled with goal setting and vision boards and all that jazz. And I hate to break it to you, but it's another one. So here we have it, a getting my life together vlog for 2024. Now I know most people probably wanted this video between Christmas and New Year. And to be fair, I was doing bits and bobs in that time, but this is just a reminder that if you've still not done it yet, if you've not made your vision board, if you've not set new goals, if you've not started your resolutions or anything like that, then it's not too late. Just because it's the first week of January and you think you had to have it done by the 31st of December, you're wrong. It's never too late, is it, Marlo? Is it? Buy your journal, buy your 2024 planner, diary, and just start being the person you want to be, guys. Really is that simple. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I do to journal. I'm going to attempt to make some health shots, which I'm not really sure about that one. Just basically just do some, I just need a reset. Did any of you guys have the ultimate Sunday reset on Sunday the 31st of December? Because I can't say I did. So I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, don't beat yourself up if you're on day 7. If you're on day 7 of January, first week, and you've already failed at your resolutions, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. Do not worry. Tomorrow's a new day. Today's a new day. Okay, cool. Someone really needs to stop me on the bow addiction. If there's one thing about Lara, it's that she's got a bow on her. Oh, I've got bow nails. Oh my god. Oh my god, someone actually needs to stop me. No, but they are so cute, aren't they? Like, yeah, okay, calm down on the bows, but also just live your best life. So I thought something that's really going to make me feel like I've got my life together is making my own health shots. Now, do you know, I was really excited to do this. And then I bought one at the gym yesterday, a turmeric shot, and oh my god, it was disgusting. Like, actually grim, and that's what I want to make, like a ginger and turmeric health shot. But it's just really put me off. And I know they're probably not meant to be nice, but we're still gonna give it a go. Major problem though, and true Lara style, Tesco didn't provide the goods. So instead of fresh root ginger, which is obviously the whole point of making health shot, it's meant to be fresh, not, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Basically, my point is, ginger puree is not what I wanted. But I mean, there's no time to be fussy. I'm just gonna have to work with what I've got. Also, we do actually have a proper juicer, but I don't know how to use it. And it looks really intimidating, so I think I'm just gonna use a blender. Right, a large orange, a lemon, turmeric, and your ginger puree. Right, I need to cut the skin. This feels right. I think I like this little life. Okay, orange, lemon, and then a tiny bit of ginger. Oh, that is grim. Maybe I should do a bit more than that. I'm gonna add the turmeric after. Okay, let's had a little bit of this then. Ugh. Oh shit. That wasn't really a little bit. What actually are the health benefits of turmeric? Let's have a look, shall we? Can decrease markers of inflammation, relieve chronic pain, reduce nausea and improve immune function. I mean, brilliant. Okay, here we go. It's thick. Oh! I mean, the lemon's too overpowering. It's so thick. I'm off to get a quick car wash because apparently there's not going to be any more rain for the next week, which I find very hard to believe. Oh my god. But I mean, the sun is really trying to prove me wrong right now. This car wash is like, it's the men doing it, it's not a machine. So I get a bit nervous and it's a bit awkward, but it's okay. I need a fresh car. Get my life together. Right, the queue is a little bit long, but it's okay. We can wait. Got nowhere to be. Just a deadline. Just a uni deadline that needs doing. Sorry, she actually can't be tamed. She can't be tamed. Hi, number one, please.
Number one.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Turn my car off. Wow. Fun. I actually love a car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. Working at the car wash. Working at the car wash. Oh my god, do you reckon you can hear me? Probably not. Sparkling clean. Yay! Okay, so apparently I'm banished to the floor. Now, one thing about me is I absolutely love to journal and plan and write lists and all that kind of stuff. So I've got my new planners for 2023. I always like to get every year a yearly planner. So this one I just got off Etsy. Basically just means I can write in all my plans for the month and look at it easily, as well as my top priorities for the month, and then sort of filling in my week as an overview. That's how I like to use this one. And then I also have a daily planner, which this one was just from Amazon. It was like £5, where I can just plan out my day by the time and write sort of my to-do list for the day. That's how I like to do it. I know, so organised. I just feel like it makes me feel like I've got my life together. The first thing I am going to do is just a 2023 reflection. I just use this new planner that I got off Etsy. I just realised this looks like a full-blown ad. I just chose this on Etsy the other day and love it. So I will leave a link in the description if anyone wants this planner, but yeah, and if they want to sponsor me, because I'm clearly just doing free ad right now. But anyway, so yeah, I just use the questions in this planner, which you guys can just write down if you want to do this yourselves. Then, now this is what I like to call a life audit. Again, you can use the sections that I just use in this planner, but you can also just grab a piece of paper and write down health and wellness, personal growth, habits, finances, family relationships, and fun and recreation, and then just start writing in your goals. Pretty much, it's that simple. And also try and be specific with the goals you're writing. If in finances you're writing you want to save traveling, write how much you want to save. This really is a getting my life together vlog, because honestly after this I felt like I got my life together. We can't start off a new year without a vision board. So now I've got my life audit complete, I can now make my vision board. So those of you who don't know what a vision board is, it's basically a visual board. It has images and quotes and everything that represents how you want your future to look. And the idea is you sort of set it as your laptop home screen, or I don't know, maybe you want to make an actual vision board and cut up paper and stick it on a board and put it up in your room. Whatever floats your boat. I'm gonna make mine on Canva though, because Canva is elite. Here we go. And there you have it, my finished complete vision board. I actually started off by making sort of a life one, and then I thought putting golden retriever and everything on there just feels so out of reach. So I decided to do one specifically for next year. Okay, well, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the first video of 2024. So goodbye. Good luck with all your New Year's resolutions and your goal setting and your journaling. You saying good luck? Yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video next Sunday. Bye.